Hey there, today I just wanted to chat about if you are thinking about selling your home this year, whether it's in the next couple of months or later in the year. Here are a few things that you can do right now to start to prep your home for sale, to make it as smooth as possible, as timely as possible, and ultimately get you the most money in your pocket. So these things can all be chipped away DIY stuff that you could do now to save yourself stress when it comes to crunch time. So the first is, you probably heard it before, is decluttering. So purging all the stuff you don't need, whether that's donating to charity, calling a junk removal service, or holding a yard sale. This will also benefit you when it comes time to moving, because you won't have to deal with all these boxes or stuff you have stored away that you were just avoiding getting rid of. So that'll all be done, making your move a little bit smoother. The second thing is painting your interior. So painting and refreshing the inside with some neutral colors does go a long way. It'll look great in pictures. It'll give a nice fresh look to buyers when they walk in the door. And the third thing is updating your landscaping. So whether that's just a cleanup of your yard and making sure everything looks nice and manicured, or investing a little bit of time and effort into updating some of the landscaping, whether it's planting a new bush, planting some flowers. And if you are thinking of maybe listing later in the colder months when the yards don't look as nice, this would be beneficial to do now, and then you can take some pictures and use them for the listing so people can get a sense of what the home does look like in prime spring and summer months. If you do want to take it a step further, invest a bit of money, here are 3 things that are great return on investments. The first thing is to upgrade or update your lighting fixtures. So if you do have some outdated old lighting fixtures that you don't love, now might be the time to swap them out for something more modern and does fit the aesthetic of your home. And at the very least, if you can't do that or don't want to do that, make sure that all light fixtures are working, all bulbs are functional, because lighting is key. And the second thing is, if the outside of your home is starting to show signs of wear and tear, it might be time to do some TLC to the outside, whether that's some touch-ups and fixing up the outside, or a full exterior paint job. That can go a long way in terms of curb appeal and setting great first impressions when your buyers pull up to your home. And finally, the most costliest one, which may not be feasible for everyone, is to upgrade your kitchen and washrooms, or one or the other. If your kitchen's already in good shape, maybe just do a slight upgrade on your bathrooms, or if you want to go the full renovation route, that will also definitely add value to your home, and in most cases, depending how much you spend, you will get the return on your investment. And once all these things are done and it comes time to putting your home for sale, that's when I come in, and I come in with staging, photography, videography, and floor plans, and then we're off to the races, and we try to make the sale as smooth as possible and get you as top dollar as we can for your home. Hope these were helpful tips. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Talk to you soon.